Hello and welcome back to Fabulous Ideas, and in this video I want to show you the facial steamer that I purchased. This one I got from Amazon. Now, I have used facial steamers before in the past, and they're just like the very old facial steamers, but I decided, I saw this new one and I just thought, you know, anything to improve the skin. And yeah, so let's open this together. I'm opening this right now, and you get a lovely headband with this. Let me just see what this is. It looks like it has some pink ears on. It's grey. You can see some pink ears in there. I actually didn't even know you get a headband in with this actually. Okay, so am I even doing this right? Okay, so that's kind of cute. That's kind of nice. Okay, I didn't know that you get that, but you do. You get these little ears, pink ears, and so that's really nice. There's a top part here, so it comes in little parts. I'm so can't wait to see what this is like. Okay, so I get this little box as well. Interesting. And there are some things inside here. I would say some facial tools, I think. Yes, definitely. You can see that this was not mentioned that you actually get this. I don't believe so anyway, and if it was, I wasn't paying attention. But yeah, you get all these little tools, and I think they're for like blackheads. And here is the little cup, and that is what you'll be using to put the water into. There is this little manual as well that you get. Okay, so that goes inside. Don't want to break it. Should really be looking at the instructions, but yeah, and then you turn it on from here. So let me get back when we can put this on and see. So you may be saying, why a facial steamer? So there are plenty of facial steamers on the market. Mine is a nano facial steamer. I got that from Amazon. It's probably about £30, and I just want to tell you what the benefits of having a facial steamer and adding it to your beauty regime or skincare routine. So I've got it on Google, I've got it on my phone in front of me, so I'm going to, so it's not just me saying this. So it cleanses the skin. It also helps to promote circulation. So you may have noticed that when you do have a good facial steam, that a lot of blood is flowing to the surface of the skin. You look a lot redder. So it cleanses the skin, and then it does this by opening up your pores and loosening up all that dirt that's building up. So it's like a deep cleanser really, and also it softens the blackheads as well, so it makes them easier to remove, hence why they have sent me the tools for, and I knew this was something like this, for removing those. Okay, so that's great. It also promotes the circulation, so the combination of the warm steam increases the blood vessels and increases circulation. So what does this do? Well, this will boost the blood flow, and it nourishes your skin and delivers oxygen. Okay, so this results in a healthier glow. So the next one, it says it releases acne that causes bacteria and cells. So it opens up your pores and allows the release of dead skin cells, bacteria and other impurities that are clogging up the pores. Okay, so it also releases trapped sebum. So these natural oils that are building up and into your skin, that gets trapped beneath the skin surface, and it creates a breeding ground for bacteria and causing acne and blackheads. So you know, this facial steaming is very good for a lot of things. It's also very hydrating as well. So hydrates the skin by helping it increase oil production, naturally moisturizing the face. What else does it do? It helps your skin better absorb skincare products. Now that is something that we want, especially when we're using creams and things. We want it to absorb into the skin, so a facial steamer would definitely help with that. Okay, so as well, it promotes collagen, so this is something, an elastin, so this is something we want for our skin because it increases the blood flow, and this obviously promotes collagen and elastin production, so the skin then becomes firmer and youthful looking. It's soothing, which I must admit, a facial steamer is definitely soothing. It's like having a hot bath, so the feeling of the warm steam on your face is very, very relaxing. It adds a soothing sense using herbs and essential oils, so you could do that as well. I remember in the past I've used facial steamers, I've used a little squeeze of lemon, so all that lovely scent and citric smell is in there as well. So yeah, it's definitely very soothing, and it helps as well with sinus congestion. So if you're feeling very bogged down, I think that's a lot of reason why people used to have their head in steamy hot water buckets with a towel on top, because it obviously helps with sinus congestion. And it's affordable and accessible, which is true. I mean, £30 isn't much, and again, you could go the conventional old-fashioned way of having hot water in a bucket and putting a towel on top, and again, it's the same thing as steaming your face. So yeah, I mean, again, they talk about the different techniques, the steam over a bowl or sink of hot water. So yeah, I've got this nano facial steamer that I purchased from Amazon, and I definitely want to try that. I will try that in this later on in this video. I just want to remove my makeup because it's not going to be, you know, it's not good to do facial steam. I think do it with a cleansed face. So yeah, I just wanted to open it first in front of you, and I wanted to talk to you by going online on Google and looking at the benefits of having a facial steamer. So I've now talked about the benefits of doing it, and I think on here it says about 10 minutes. I mean, this one it's saying if you relax for about 5 minutes, so it depends. But yes, I would like to try, and because this is a electronic one, I think I'd find it a lot easier. And it's, you know, you fill up this little container here, and it says do not go over 50 ml. Yep, that's what it says on here. So 50 ml, that's just that little tiny bit of water. I just place it into the steamer, switch it on, and then place it. I mean, the way it says it on the actual instructions, you don't place it near the face, that you actually have some distance between you and the steamer, 5 inches 20 centimeters between you and that facial steamer. And I'm going to try that after removing my makeup, and I can't wait to get the blood coming to the surface of my skin, feeling very relaxed and calm, and also letting all of those benefits that we just talked about, that I just read through, happen. So yeah, and then trying to get this into like a part of my routine. I probably won't do this daily. I will maybe pick 3 times or twice a week to do this, just like a face mask. You won't do it daily, but you'll pick times in the week when you do it. And I think just getting used to doing a routine, and this is something that I used to do. Now I must admit I don't do it anymore, but I'm trying to get back into doing it, and that's helped me by purchasing a facial steamer, and definitely would be great to find it very relaxing. So yes, I will now think it's time to remove the makeup and go with the facial steam and just show you the results and see what my skin looks like after I've had a facial steamer on there, and see if it looks like they said, more glowy. And yeah, so let's try this. Okay, and I would definitely put a link down below. Check out that description box below for this particular facial steamer here, and you know now that you get a little tool box in there, the little band as well, which I will put on while doing the facial steamer on my face. So yeah, see you in a moment. I'm just going to remove my makeup. Okay, so I'm here to try the facial steamer. So I need to remove my makeup. I don't have much on, but still my face isn't clear at all. So I need to remove my makeup. So I have got like a cleanser, but I haven't got the cotton pads. That's it. It hasn't run out. I don't have the cotton pads. It's like a Nivea cleanser. It's a really nice one. So I'm going to use these Purex Deep Cleansing, and these have just come in handy. They were a gift and they've just come in handy to remove, because it does say on here as well, it does remove makeup. And there's also one here, and it's exfoliating wipes. I don't know whether you're familiar with this brand, but yeah, I'm going to use this. And then after that, I'm going to be using my Mary Kay Botanical Effects cleanser, and what I'll do is just wet my face, massage this in, and then rinse off. So yeah, I've been using this actually every day, and it is really, really good. And also I'm going to show you some more products, Mary Kay products. I can't wait to show you those. I'm not going to say what they are, just stay tuned on this channel so you get to see, and also how you can get your free Mary Kay cleanser. I would definitely be putting a link down below for Cheryl Norton, who kindly gifted me this and another gift set as well, which I will show you. And if you just go onto her Facebook page, which will be linked down below, make comments. I think there's also going to be an Instagram link as well in there. I will put everything in that description box anyway down below. Follow those. It is definitely worth it. This is a full size sample here, worth, you know, go and check it out on the internet. I think it's about £23, a very expensive cleanser. So really is worth, and it's one free per household. So do not miss out. You don't really have to do anything except just click on those links down below and do as it says, and that's it. Get one of these. So anyway, let's get back into cleansing the face, and let's get using that steamer, because I can't wait to see the results. Never tried that one before, so I'm just going to cleanse my face. So no more than 50 ml. So I'm going to put 50 ml of water in here. Okay, so 50 ml's marked there. So yeah, so that's about 50 ml of water. So let's put that in the steamer. I decided to put the band in that they gave me. You can see the little ears here. So yes, I'm going to put this. I'm going to put this into the steamer. You can tell it's late. I'm going to put this into the steamer, and then I'm going to steam my face. I already feel a lot lighter just taking off all that makeup and eye makeup. What we go through, hey? Anything else to press apart from this on button, so we're just going to wait. Oh, I can hear that. Can you hear that? It's definitely the water. Now this has to be like about 20 centimetres away from the face, so do not put this right up against your face, just put it at a little distance and see what happens. I can see the steam. Can you see the steam coming out? So I'm just above it. Oh, I can feel that. You really don't need to be that close. Oh, that's quite powerful. I can see all the, you can actually see the sweat on my face. Can you see that? Oh, that's going to do my pores some good. I'm not joking. That is good. Focusing on them areas. Ooh. You can see I'm sweating already. Look at that. But yeah, I'm like I'm sweating out here. So I've just had the steamer. I think my face is coming up a little pinky now, and yeah, it felt like a workout. It felt like, whoa, I was sweating, and I haven't, like I said, done this for a long time, so the feeling was a little bit like, oh wow. I still remember it, but just the heat is like, yeah, it's a bit getting used to. I'm just used to the face mask now, but I do feel, I don't know what it is, like it feels great actually afterwards. It does feel great, and it just feels like now I just want to get some nice cream on my face and just relax. So I'm going to keep on with that and let you know, as you know, in the weeks to come, just update you on progress with it. But I would recommend it. I mean, I used to do it in the past. It's like you don't have the time to do it, but I think this one where I can just put it away from my face and just, it works, and you know, a few minutes of that is great. So I'm going to try and do that maybe a few times in the week, and yeah, but definitely makes my skin feel a lot softer, and the blood has definitely come to the surface of the skin. So yeah, even my nose is a bit shiny as well. So I do hope that you enjoyed this video. I hope that it's helped. I hope that maybe you will try a facial steamer as well. I really do like it. I think that I will probably try twice a week, maybe even 3, and yeah, see how I get on, and see, because I think like anything, things take time before results are seen. So definitely going to be giving this one a try. So I hope to see you again for some more fabulous ideas. Stay safe and take care.